Hi, I'm Lucy. Today was my first day at school. If you like my video, please subscribe and like my channel. It helps me make more videos like this.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our bookstore. How can I help you?
I want to buy an English book.
That's great. Are you learning English?
Yes, I am a beginner. I want a simple book.
No problem. I will show you some easy books.
This book is for beginners. It has short stories.
Oh, nice. Are the stories easy to understand? Yes, they are very simple. There are also pictures.
That's good. I like books with pictures.
This book also has daily conversations.
Perfect. I want to improve my speaking.
How much is this book?
It is $10.
That's not expensive.
Yes, it is a good price.
Okay, I will take it. Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Good luck with your English.
Thank you.
I am very excited to start reading. Hi, Lucy. What are you reading?
Hi, Emma. I am reading an English storybook.
Oh, really? Is it easy? Yes, it is simple and very interesting.
That's great.
I want to improve my English too. You can practice with me.
I am fine, thank you. Very good pronunciation. Thank you.
Let's practice more.
Hello. What would you like to order?
Hello. I would like a cup of coffee, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Your coffee will be ready soon.
I spoke English clearly. How was the coffee shop?
Your support helps us make more videos for you. Take care and goodbye.